In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom on TradingView, zoom in and out. By the end, you'll be able to move effortlessly between a broad market view and a detailed candle-by-candle inspection. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. Any modern browser works. You don't need to log in just to practice, but if you have an account, it's helpful for saving your layout. When the site loads, we're heading to the charting area. Next, choose stocks and open the full chart. Use the search bar to find the ticker or market you want, then switch into the full featured chart so it fills the screen. Here you'll see time across the bottom and price on the right. This is the workspace we'll control with zoom to focus on exactly the data you need. To zoom in, press Control and the up arrow on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command and the up arrow. Tap that shortcut to gradually magnify the chart. You'll notice candles spread out, price levels become clearer, and minor swings are easier to read. If nothing seems to change, click once inside the chart to make sure it's active, then try again. While you're zoomed in, you can click and drag to pan left or right to follow the trend without losing your level of detail. This is especially useful when you're fine-tuning entries, drawing lines, or comparing recent bars. To zoom out, press Control and the down arrow. On a Mac, use Command and the down arrow. Each tap widens your view, revealing more history so you can put current price action in context. If you've zoomed in very tightly, a few quick presses will step you back to a comfortable overview. If your view ever feels squished or stretched after a lot of adjustments, look to the price scale on the right. Turning on auto will refit the chart and give you a clean starting point for the next zoom. That's all there is to it. Go to tradingview.com, open the full chart for the market you want, then use Control plus up arrow to zoom in and Control plus down arrow to zoom out. With just these shortcuts, you can quickly switch from the big picture to fine details and back again, which makes analysis faster and more precise. Practice a few times until the motions feel natural, and you'll notice your workflow becoming smoother right away.